Don't you dare. Swiiika, don't you dare. Don't you dare! No! Wait, is it actually cutting? He just circumcised my plaque.
We've made first impact.
Please, no, please, no, please, please. Stop! Stop! Please! No!
Oh, it's going! It's going!
That's my actual plaque. Okay, this is not funny anymore.
Oh! It's fighting back!
My epic career is getting cut in half, Dad. Nah, Swiiika! Whoa! You're dead when I find you. You're so... I hate you! Ah!
Oh!
Adelaine's alive.
Oh! 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 Uh-oh! Uh-oh!